Lovely evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are doing great. Our expression of tonight or morning, if you live in another country, is right off the bat. Right off the bat, which means literally immediately or at the very beginning of a process or event. Right off the bat. مثلا, he learned right off the bat that you can't count on anything in this business. Right off the bat. من بداية العملية أو من بداية الحدث. هذا مصطلح دائما نستعمله في اللغة الإنجليزية عادة في المحادثة ويعتبر informal نوعا ما. That you cannot depend on anything unless you do it yourself. Right off the bat. خلينا نشوف الأمثلة اللي موجودة بهذه الفيديوهات.
So one thing I just loved right off the bat about Arch Enemies is that it's one of the very few science fiction fantasy books that have a little bit of a discussion about mental health.
You actually have a chance to win right off the bat. Anybody can do pretty good at pétanque. So
we don't surrender to fear, I'll tell you right off the bat.
Right off the bat.
So right off the bat, how did y'all get interested in mental health?
I don't like going to surgery right off the bat. But they would just sell them off. They got paid right off the bat, and then they...
To the ladies of the Duck Commander Dynasty, all right? And so can we just right off the bat, just put our hands together for Sadie Robertson, everybody?